Hi everyone, I wanted to show you how to improve this cheap little plastic skull that I got from the pound shop. I'm going to give him a sort of metallic effect and make him look like he cost a little bit more, and to make him also look quite cool. So first of all, cover him in black paint. Unlike the previous tutorial, you're not going to wipe the paint off this time. So what you need to do is cover him in a nice layer of black paint. Make sure he's all covered up. Make sure there's no exposed areas of bone. Make sure all the plastic is covered, especially in all the little nooks and crannies and in between his teeth and everything. And all I'm doing is going around with some cheap black acrylic paint. I made sure before I started that the skull was dry and dust free, so I just wiped it over with a dry cloth. You can sand the surface of the skull if you want a little bit, just to get rid of some of the detail from where it was moulded in the factory, and also to give it a little bit more texture if you wanted to. I didn't bother. And then once it's painted black and you've left it to dry, take some of this metallic luster. It's like gilding wax in silver, and just apply that over the top with your finger. You might have to apply a couple of layers. Sometimes it'll show up a bit more than others. That's because mine's dried out a little bit as well. Now you can see by the one eye it's really bright at the minute. You don't want it that bright. I will go over that with my finger after, just to blend it in. And you go over all the details, so all those details show up and stand out, and then add a bit more to the main area of the head and the forehead and everything, and it just gives the skull this really cool sort of metallic effect. And it just looks really good, and it looks better than the cheap plastic that it started off as. And I find that this gilding wax stuff shows up really well on top of black paint, so that's why I painted it black first. Plus it gives you that shading in all those recesses and everything. And as you can see, I just went over it a few times with my finger with the gilding wax, and you can see all the details of the skull. It looks more metallic, and it just makes it look a lot cooler, I think. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this little video, and let me know if you try this out on any of your plastic decorations. If you're wondering, I got the gilding stuff from Hobbycraft, so you'll be able to get it from any craft store. And that's it. That's how to make it look like a metallic skull. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.